Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Dr. Mukul Sangma ka khatsau trik Juliu la Plie Paidbah ka Surok na Polo sa Oakland kabadan sans pa san meter bat kabala pelut palat Klur tingka ya kini ka Surok la Plie ka jingidon dengkat Menteri Ketanat Piduldi Roads Pak Martin M Dango kanomi khmat kanot Shillong constituency kabalong ru ka Menteri Pak ka Sarkar Jela kong Roshan Wajri ki officer jong ka Piduldi Roads pat kiru Rangba haba jingkret na ketiga sengi Dr. Mukul laong ka jingtemu ka bah khmat jong ka Sarkar kalong ban penkuloj ya kanong ba Shillong na kamenta bakan laj na ka jingkhapnya ba ka jing sakut ki kali ka bajia mala kapor.
The cost of creating an infrastructure in urban center is always a challenge. Nevertheless, I am happy that as one of the agenda of the government to take care of the need to ease the traffic, the police, the traffic, the district administration, then the Department of Urban Affairs, all together, Department of Planning, Department of Finance, we all sat together to look at how to address the concern of traffic congestion of Shillong and Klur and Joy. These three, the district capital, two district capitals and the state capital.